On May 5, 2024, Fort Lauderdale Airport, police rushed to the gate of a Southwest flight after two women started cursing at staff and making a huge scene. This is what happened next.
You called?
Yeah.
What happened?
1 second. Come listen. Okay, so we got a bunch of young ladies on the side here. They're boarding pre-board, and I told them you can't take them down. She's using obscene language. She's still cursing back and forth, and then she's gonna write an email. She take pictures. So you need to talk to the one.
Are they flying?
Yeah.
Are they still flying?
The one in the gray shirt.
Okay, why is she still flying if she's getting
Exactly. So I want her off.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. You got her name? You got everything you need? All right. Okay, you understand you're not flying, right? You.
She didn't say me.
Okay, yeah. She's telling me right now.
Right here. Oh, these two what?
She's removing you from the
How
flight.
you remove me from the flight when she was on her phone?
I asked her her name because
She was on the phone.
She jumped over here in my conversation.
She was on the phone.
She jumped over here.
Wait. Well, hold on, but you're like jumping up all
No,
over.
nothing happened. You wasn't talking to her.
I'm gonna tell you something. She probably take you off too if you jump in.
But nobody was talking to her. So how we off the plane if nobody talked
But
to
she
her?
already said they're
She
not
was yelling
flying,
at
no
her,
matter what
and
you
then I told her that
say.
she wasn't talking to her.
I was right here on my
But don't be the third, because she'll remove
No, it ain't no third because there ain't no way I'm not getting on this flight and my child in airport.
Who do I need to talk to?
Ain't no way I'm not getting on this flight and my child in airport.
There's nothing.
Because all I told her that she was talking on the phone.
run the camera back because like I said, I was over here on my
No,
phone.
because
She
I didn't
jumped
say
over
nothing,
here
but
and I
she was
told
on
her.
the phone, so that doesn't make sense. I
Okay,
ain't gonna say somebody can't fly because she's talking on the phone to somebody else. When nobody talking to her.
Exactly, y'all can run the cameras back.
Okay,
I would say
it doesn't matter.
I want to talk to
They
her
already
because
said
it's
it.
not okay.
Are you supervisor? There you go. To supervisor.
Somebody over her because I never say anything to
Guys,
her.
I'm gonna tell you
You
right
go get somebody
now.
else. I never say anything to her. I never say anything to her, so I can be put off for saying something to her. I never said. Okay, and I said nothing to her. I said nothing to her. I was over here in my phone with my earpiece on. She jumped over here. I said I'm on my phone.
When you probably can get rescheduled.
Nobody would just
I'm not getting rescheduled. My child is already on the plane with my mom.
She's gonna take
See how
them
she's
home.
still talking to me and I never said
what I'm
anything to her. Go get another supervisor because
Do
that's
you
not
want them to
okay.
take them home?
Go get another supervisor.
She made her decision.
No, I need another
That's
supervisor.
not
She
okay,
can't make her
though.
decision off
That's not
nobody
okay,
did
though.
that.
Guys,
Nobody did anything.
if I tell you
Nobody did anything.
where
That's not
you're
okay because you said we was on the phone. All I told her is she on the phone.
guys, you're gonna end up getting arrested for trespassing.
What did I say wrong to you?
I didn't do anything.
What did I say wrong to
Now
you?
she took you off the plane, and I'm telling you, you're not flying.
What did I say wrong to you is the question. Answer what did I say wrong to her? Because all I told her that she was on the phone. She thought she was talking to her and I said she's on the phone.
She said you
She
can't
got
go.
mad because I asked for her name. Yes, I want her name.
I'll give you the name. Come on, let's go, guys. Guys, excuse me. We gotta walk out of this right now. No? You saying no because I'm about to arrest you for trespassing.
I'm not trespassing.
Because I'm telling you, you're not flying.
I didn't say anything to her.
We need
So
to
how
go
am I not
up. We
flying?
need to go up to the counter.
No, man, no. Y'all can go get some more security. That don't make sense. Nobody
Lady,
said
I'm
nothing
not,
to
I'm not
her.
security. I'm a
Nobody,
police
I
officer.
understand, but we didn't say nothing to her.
But I don't want
Wrong.
to. But I don't want to have
Don't
to.
play the camera back because nobody said nothing to her. Wrong.
If I bring
No, my
somebody, you're
kids-
going to jail.
Okay, well, my kids is waiting.
Is that
so I'm
okay
not
with
doing
you?
it.
Is that okay with
Because
you?
it doesn't make sense. Can you play the camera back? Nobody said nothing wrong to
Okay,
her.
but I'm telling you that
so
you're
gonna
not
tell me I
flying.
can't take a flight because of what?
Because she said no.
Because of what, though?
That's it.
You have to give me a reason. You have to give me a reason.
That's something
It's
you're
no
gonna have to
reason.
take up with
It's no
customer
reason,
service,
though.
but
It's
you're
no
not flying.
reason.
But you're not flying.
Because I have a lot going on.
Let's go, guys.
You haven't gave a reason, though.
Let's go.
No,
So make
you haven't gave a reason. All I told her, she wasn't talking to her. I didn't even say nothing to her. So it's no reason for me to be out of the flight. For her not to talk.
B1 to 30?
That's crazy.
Numerical order.
That's crazy. Because I said she want to talk to you. I can't fly.
And that's
That
like
doesn't
I
make
said, I
sense.
wasn't talking to you.
Guys,
I'm on my
I
phone.
just want you to know that I'm not saying it again. And when somebody else gets here, you're going to
Okay.
jail.
Okay.
Okay. 3 Alpha 11. Can you send me an additional unit, please? They're refusing to leave and about to get arrested for trespassing.
I'm not about to get arrested for
Oh, no,
nothing.
you are.
For what?
No, you are.
Y'all
You
saying
are.
you have
You
to
are.
give me a reason.
You are.
You have to give me a reason
Because
why.
I'm not getting up to your level, but I am. I
I'm
already.
upset because I didn't do nothing to
But
her.
I already told you.
I'm
let's
upset
leave.
because I didn't do nothing
But you're
to
telling me
her.
it's okay, and I'm telling you you're gonna go
But
to
I
jail.
didn't do nothing to her. So what is the? She
But
never
she
said what
said
the problem
no
was.
because you're causing a disturbance, and she said you can't fly.
It's a disturbing now because you're telling me I can't go home. It's
I'm
a
trying to make it
disturbance
easy
now.
for you, so I'm trying to tell you, let's walk out of here. Let's just walk out of here, because I'm telling you you're going to jail.
How am I going to jail? I ain't even did nothing.
Oh, because you're still standing here.
Where the hell am I supposed to go? You're not directing
We're
me nowhere.
leaving out of
You
this
have not started
area.
walking.
Let's go. We're going to the
You have to
counter.
start walking.
Because I'm waiting for you to turn
I'm
around
right
and
here,
go.
baby. I'm ready.
Sweetie, let's go, because I'm not having you walk behind me. We're going
That's
up to the
fine.
counter. Okay. Let's go, sweetie. Let's go.
I gotta wait on my. I'm gonna wait on my folks to come back.
Huh?
I'm gonna wait on my folks to come back. I already got my people on the goddamn plane with my stuff. It don't make sense, man. I ain't saying nothing, but that girl wasn't talking to you. It don't make sense. It don't make sense.
Okay, who is it that you need off the plane? Who is it that you need off the plane? Because you're not gonna have your way. I'm telling you right now. Okay, I'm gonna let you act up and
It doesn't
everything
matter.
like that, but you're gonna end up
crazy.
going to jail.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
So it's up to you. Turn
That's
around
crazy.
and let's walk.
Okay, let me just stand right here for a second, cause it's crazy. I swear.
No,
it's crazy.
we're not standing. We're not
it's crazy.
standing here for a second.
It's crazy.
Sweetie, let's go. And I'm trying to be as nice as I can be.
If anyone is with these people who are not going,
You ready to go?
B31 to 60, that should be on this side.
She's going. I'm gonna give her like 20, like too many. Come on. Give your friend your bag. Come on.
Charlie, what? It don't make no sense. I hold a whole wheelchair
Go
and
ahead.
she
Keep
still need
going.
help.
Keep going.
That don't make no damn sense. That don't make no sense. Y'all finna make me get out the plane for what though? Y'all didn't even explain to why I can't ride. Because she said something to her.
Yeah,
She
but
never
that's
said
something
something
with
to
customer
me.
service. Once I tell you you gotta go, you gotta go.
But she never
and
said
that's
nothing
it.
to me. So that's why I'm not
I told
understanding.
you. I told you plenty of times over there that you're not flying and
I
let's go to
understand
the
that, but you
counter.
never said why.
So why are we still here?
Because you never said why. Why don't nobody say why?
Disturbance and she said you're not flying.
But nobody said
But we
why.
keep
She
going
never
around
said
the
nothing
circle.
to me.
Let's go.
Exactly. Find out why, because I never said nothing
It
to her.
doesn't matter.
She can't fly because
You're being disrespectful. I told him to calm down.
Okay, well he's gonna find out why because she never said nothing to me.
You just went with what she said. You don't care. That's your point. That's your problem.
No, but that's something that you can take care of
No,
over there at
okay.
the time.
Tell him we need to calm down so we can get everything under control before we go. They keep going on and using obscene language with Christmas says that's not the way to go. We need to calm down. So I told them they're not going anywhere.
just two of them.
It was the two of them. Correct.
Get out my conversation. That's what I said. This is my conversation.
And I ain't saying nothing, but she wasn't talking to you, so I don't understand how I got in.
It's okay, but we do understand when I told you to leave and I told you let's go
Because
and I told
that's
you I was going to arrest you for
confusing.
trespassing.
Because
and you
that's
still
confusing.
told me you're all right with that.
Okay,
so
so
let's go.
what did she say? Why?
She was calling a disturbance.
How was I causing disturbance?
How was she jumped over here?
They have the right to refuse, unfortunately.
How was she jumped over here in my conversation?
They have the right to refuse you to fly.
She jumped in my conversation. All I told her was I'm on the phone.
We're not having
I
this
just like that.
conversation here because I've done
I told her
already
to
told
get back over there in her conversation. That's all I told
You have
her.
to exit the terminal. Otherwise, you're going to go to jail. Stop looking at your phone and turn around and walk away. Let's go.
Come on, y'all gotta lead the way. 'Cause we
Let's
don't know
go.
where we're going.
That's the exit right there. Walking in that
Escort you.
direction.
VIP services right now.
This shit is stupid as fuck. Cause somebody say this, somebody ain't talking to you, that shit is stupid as fuck, bro. Shit is stupid as fuck, bro.
Keep going. Keep going.
That's stupid as fuck, man. This shit is stupid as fuck.
Go left. Left.
Bradley.
No, this shit is stupid cause somebody say nobody talking to her. This shit is stupid as fuck. I gotta get on to my motherfucking kid. Hey, you
Come on.
that shit is stupid.
Not
This
there.
shit is stupid.
Not there!
This shit is stupid as fuck.
Over here!
Hold on.
I got my kid. Stop snatching me. Why? Why are you snatching me?
Calm down!
You can't even
I
talk.
got my kid. I don't know. I didn't even stop.
Calm down.
Calm down!
back up. Okay.
Keisha, she wasn't calm down. Calm down. I know. Calm down. Keisha, we're gonna be okay. Stop. We're gonna be okay. I know. It's gonna be okay. I gotta get some sleep. You holding me.
Stop.
I am. She just showed my. Keisha, look at me. Calm down. Look at me. Look at me. We're gonna be okay. Calm down. We're gonna be okay. They can't do nothing to us.
Listen to your friend.
I got you. We're right here together.
That's it.
We know we ain't did shit wrong. I don't want you to touch me. Please. Let me go, please. You been snatching on me. You snatched my purse. Please don't touch me.
Don't touch her.
Please don't touch me. You keep snatching on me.
You don't care. They don't do that shoulder. They
Please stop
care.
touching me.
She gotta go.
Step out the doors.
She's getting arrested. Come on.
Step out.
Why is she getting arrested?
Because I already told her that.
Man, no, you did not, man.
Sweetie, come here. Your pedophile. Excuse me.
What are you doing?
Put your hand behind your back. I'm telling you
You just
again.
said I'm okay.
No, you're not. You're going to
just said
jail.
that.
I already told you.
What are you talking about?
I already
just
told you.
came
You're
through
going
the
to jail.
I just came through the acid.
I told you.
Keisha, calm down.
I just came through the acid. Please.
Let go.
You just said acid. I'm accident. I am.
Stop resisting.
No, you didn't. I'm not resisting. You just said acid. I didn't even say nothing. I didn't even just say nothing.
If you don't want additional charges,
I didn't even say nothing, baby. I didn't say nothing. I didn't say nothing. Y'all just said acid.
Let them deal with it.
You just said acid.
you're going to get more charges.
All right, stop.
Can you please don't
Just
arrest me.
stop resisting.
Please don't arrest me.
Just stop resisting.
I'm not. You just let me exit out there. I was going out the exit door.
It's okay. Stop resisting.
It's not okay. It's not okay. It's not okay.
We'll explain to you why you're going to jail.
Oh my God! I was just going through the acid.
Keisha, just calm down.
Man,
Calm down. I got you.
Okay?
she done showed me on everything.
I know, I got you.
Yes, she did tell me about my purse. Out there, that's why I said
We're
yes,
not
she
even up there
did.
no more. They don't took us out. I don't have her ID. It's not in there.
You got it in your hand. You got it in your hand. That's the one I
Man.
gave you.
3 out of 10.
You just said exit on exit.
We'll find it.
I'm not going
Is this her
nowhere.
purse?
I don't know.
I'm not going
This is
nowhere.
hers.
All right,
This is
give
hers.
this to me.
Okay.
I'm not going nowhere. You just said exit and I was going to exit. Y'all just let me get up and exit. That was after y'all just calmed me down. That was after y'all just calmed me down. I did not yell coming out them doors. I did not yell coming out them doors. I did not yell coming out them doors.
Ma'am, she's being arrested.
I know, but I have the
Okay,
purse.
but
She's being
you still let
arrested.
me
This is
go.
her purse. I have a right to search for her
I just came through the exit door.
Okay?
I'm upset, baby. My baby has sickle cell. I'm
Keisha.
trying to
Understand
my
that.
child.
Stop.
This is crazy. This is not
Stop
even me arguing
talking.
with people.
Stop talking.
They don't understand that young is not
Stop talking. Where is your identification?
She picked it up.
No, I did not. I picked up my passport book that
Can
was
I
like
see
I
that
got
passport?
one. I got one. Don't make it two.
Can I see that passport?
because I'm telling you it's not.
No,
mine.
show me
I
the
told you
passport.
right there.
My ID right there, man.
You were still there.
Show me the
Man,
passport.
my ID right there, man.
Your identification
Yes.
in here? It's in here?
Yes.
Okay. Let's find it. I got it. Georgia ID.
I got a 40-month-old child.
Closing your purse back up. See? Everything's right here.
Her name is Castillo.
Is your friend taking your stuff?
Man, I need to call somebody.
You can't call nobody.
Yes, I can. What?
can.
I need to call somebody. I don't have anybody's number.
Are you taking her stuff?
I need to call someone. I need to call
Is
someone.
your friend taking
I need
your
to call of course. I mean, I don't have no choice.
Keisha, listen to me.
I need to call somebody.
Listen to me.
I need to call
Your friend's
somebody.
going to take all your personal items. Okay?
You're just making it worse. Stop doing that.
Yeah.
It hurts. So I'm
Making it
putting
worse.
up, so
Stop.
It hurts. It hurts. I'm putting it up. So it hurts.
You're going to take her personal items?
Keisha, where's your phone?
Man, I can't even call nobody.
She's got her ID and her phone only.
They got her ID and they got her phone.
I ain't even do shit. Well, that shit wasn't even motherfucking argument.
We're taking the elevator?
Be here for me. Kawana.
Did you advise you have one in custody?
Kawana. Call Ben on FaceTime on Instagram. Tell him I'll be locked up. Call Ben.
moving
You
around.
can touch me. You can touch me. Okay, well, you can touch me. I don't want her to touch me. I don't want her to touch
She's
me.
taking you to jail.
I'm the one taking you. You don't have to touch me. Can you get your hand on me? No, because you choked me and everything. You was holding me tight. Do not touch me. Yes, you did. Don't touch me.
Did not touch
Man, stop. Can you please?
Can you just stop?
No, because she just choked me and stuff. No,
Come on. She's the arresting officer. You're going to jail with her.
that's.
Going this way.
I understand. I don't want her touching me, man.
Where's your car?
I gotta pat her down first. Pat it down right here. Shit, you gotta get patted down. Stay right here. No, stop. I'm telling you.
Stop swinging around. You're making things worse.
I gotta pat you down. Make sure you don't got nothing on.
Stop pulling away.
I don't have nothing, man.
She's got a check. Stop pulling away.
They just check on the airplane. Before I don't have nothing. What the fuck? They just check me. Like, you don't have nothing to do with me. At all. Nothing.
Calm down.
That's why this shit stupid as fuck. I'm gonna lock you up. I'm gonna lock you up automatically. I'm gonna lock you up because I want to express my feelings. You didn't ask why. Ask why. You never asked
I'll
why.
tell you, because they say you
never-
wasn't flying. That's all you
You
needed
never
to
asked
know.
why though. I didn't do shit.
They don't have to tell us why.
But I didn't do shit. My friend was talking on her phone. She said something to my friend. All I
I
said was she
understand
not
that,
talking
but
to
they
you.
don't have to tell us
I
why.
didn't have to say shit to her. That's my whole point.
It's a
because I was with
business.
her. It's the point because I was with her.
It's
That's
a
the first
business.
point.
They don't have to tell us nothing.
It's not that.
It's the point
Once I
that-
told you, you gotta go, you gotta go.
Why would I
And
have
I
to go
told
if
you
didn't
how
do
many
nothing,
times
though?
you're gonna go to jail.
If you would have just cooperated,
No, I
you
wouldn't
wouldn't be going to jail.
I corroborate. She still said I'm taking you to jail. I did. She still said I'm taking you to jail.
And I told you.
I did.
It's all in my recording.
Okay, that's fine, but I did. You never asked why.
I need to hear it. It's gotta go inside.
Let them do it at the
Stop it.
Man, take it off, please. Can you take my earring off?
All right, my
I
bad.
don't
I'll
want
take
to
it.
touch you.
You're making things worse.
But
Stop. I don't want you to touch yourself, all right? Stop. Is this the piercing? Right, take it out.
you can't take that out. It don't come
All
out.
right.
Relax.
So this don't come out.
The woman was eventually charged with trespassing.